Mastering English, the power of adjective plus noun collocations. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest video where we'll delve into the world of adjective plus noun collocations. If you've been looking to elevate your English skills and sound more like a native speaker, understanding and using collocations is the key. Let's first understand what adjective plus noun collocations are. In English, collocations are words that frequently go together. When an adjective and a noun pair up so often that they almost feel like a single item, we've got ourselves an adjective plus noun collocation. These pairs sound right to native English speakers, and they can often be a tip-off that someone isn't a native speaker if they're used incorrectly. Now, let's get into some examples to illustrate the concept. 1. Strong coffee. Here's a classic example of an adjective plus noun collocation. Strong is the adjective modifying the noun, coffee. We wouldn't typically say powerful coffee, even though powerful and strong are synonyms. The pair, strong coffee, is a standard English collocation. 2. Severe weather. Severe is often used with weather. When we say severe weather, it could mean extremely hot, cold, or stormy weather. 3. Deep sleep. When you're sleeping so soundly that it's hard to wake up, you're in deep sleep. 4. High hopes. If you're very hopeful about something, you have high hopes. 5. Broad daylight. If something happens in broad daylight, it happens in full view, during the day when everyone can see. And the list goes on. Why should we care about collocations? Well, using collocations helps your English sound more natural and fluent. They're not rules, but guidelines that can make your English more idiomatically accurate. Learning collocations can also help you avoid common learner mistakes, as they can be less forgiving about which words can be used together. The secret to mastering adjective plus noun collocations is lots of exposure to English and practice. Try to read and listen to English as much as possible. Always be on the lookout for these collocations, and note them down. Use them actively in your conversations and writings. A little bit of daily practice can go a long way. That wraps up our video on adjective plus noun collocations. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept and its importance in making your English sound more natural and fluent. Remember, the secret to mastery is practice. So, go ahead and immerse yourself in English. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll start noticing and using these collocations. Happy learning!